everyone. I am Sunshine M. Herrera. Today, I'll be sharing my learning journey in empowerment technologies, covering two key areas, multimedia and ICT and netiquettes.
Multimedia is the use of various forms of content like text, graphics, audio, and video, while ICT or Information and Communications Technology is the broad field of using technology to transmit and manage information. I learned to use various tools such as Canva, CapCut, YouTube, Google Docs, PowerPoint, Facebook, and many more. Now, let's talk about netiquettes. Netiquettes is combination of network and etiquette. It is concerned with the proper manner of communication in the online environment. It is a set of rules for behaving properly online. Remember the human. Show your moral values even when we're only in digital environment, and always remember to think before you click. Do not do unto others what you would not want done unto you. It says you should treat others the way you would want to be treated. Adhere to the same standards of behavior online as in real life. For example, copyright laws. Downloading and streaming illegally shouldn't be tolerated. Only use legal sites to stream because in that way, we can help our favorite artists earn the right amount of money that they deserve. Share expert knowledge. If you've got skills and expertise, feel free to share it and be helpful. Technology is a tool. Its impact depends on how we use it. Let's choose to use it wisely, responsibly, and compassionately.